Everything is mind training. The ability of training your mind to remain calm under any situations. It takes a lot of effort and discipline. When you see the importance of your well-being by remain calm, remain clear in your state of mind, you can use your breath, your breathing. Take a deep breath in and feel that you are still alive. Feel the emotion that arises. Example, if you are frustrated, if you are angry, sometimes you need to face with the situation. And if you can walk away, you can scream, you can go to the beach, you can walk the park. Just take a few moments, a few days off if you needed to. But then again, rebuild yourself. Then there are a lot of methods you can do. You can chant, you can cultivate by thinking positive, seeing the impermanence of all things. Meditation will help you the first step by calming yourself down so that you see the importance of keeping your mind at peace. And ask yourself a question, is it worth it for me to get frustrated over, to get angry over something that I didn't do, or something that people push you, make you do the thing that you don't like? The ability is not running away, but to face with it. And the acceptance of the condition that you're in, it will help you strengthen your own state of mind. So once you see the importance of yourself, knowing that you are the important, don't let anything become more important than you. Then guess what? It will disturb your minds, it will disturb your feelings, and it will disturb your emotion. The moment you realize that only you can truly create peace in your state of mind, that clarity, that self-understanding, that self-knowing of yourself, this self-awareness will enhance your state of well-being, your state of peace, calmness. The more you face with the difficulty, the more you will become very wise. And you can really slow down and watch and observe your emotion. You feel your emotion, but you don't have to act on it. Your life. And now you can really make a true effort to look inward, to improve yourself, to discipline yourself, to face with your difficulty, whatever you are going through, knowing that it is only temporary and it will pass. Everything will pass. Nothing remains the same. Just make the best out of it. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you and Sutu I.